Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcut on this device. First, let me show you what I mean by button shortcut. So, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the upper button, and once you wake up the screen on your watch and you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can press the lower button to basically perform the shortcut. So when you press the lower button, it will open certain app or function on your watch, and by default it's gonna be workout. So basically when you press the lower button, it's gonna open the workout menu, and you can customize this. You can change it to open something else. And to do it, let's open the settings. So let's scroll, or rather swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called function key and select it, and then tap on this workout option. And here we have list of different apps or functions we can assign to this button to be performed or opened when you press the button. We have none, so if you select this option, nothing will open, it's gonna be disabled. And then you can find the app. If you want to open something with this button, you can find the app. For example, let's say flashlight. So let's select the flashlight, and now when we go back, by pressing the upper button to go back to watch face and press the lower button, it's gonna open the flashlight, as you can see. And you can select any function or app on this list right here in the function key. So for example, we can also select settings, and if you select settings, press the lower button on the home screen, it's gonna open the settings like this. And that's how you customize the button shortcut on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.